So if you feel that people around you are attacking you in this way, use a clove of garlic. Garlic is extremely powerful. It repels any negative energy. When I say any, I mean any, and you can always use it to your advantage. In fact, you may have noticed bunches of garlic hanging in some homes. That's precisely to scare away evil spirits, bad luck, and negative energies in general. If you place garlic bulbs in your kitchen, you will be completely protected, especially in the economic aspect. You will never lack money, at least not for what's truly necessary, like food, a roof, and a place to sleep, which are essential for everyone. I've just given you an ancestral secret that I encourage you to test. Now I'll tell you how to use that clove of garlic so that you feel protected and never again vulnerable to those people or to your general bad luck. If you feel unlucky and don't know why, also use garlic to your advantage. It will open all your doors. You will feel completely protected and covered in all your needs. Simply take an unpeeled garlic clove, hold it between your hands, and let's transmit this message. Close your eyes, raise your vibration, feel happy, abundant, fulfilled, and protected. And when you emit this energy, say out loud, I take power away from all negative energy and transform it into light. Wonderful. Repeat this 3 times with intention. Remember, you must intend these amulets so they bring the necessary results and benefits. Then you will have it fully charged. You have just activated this garlic clove, an extremely protective element, and from now on you can carry it with you until you see it begin to rot. That means it has done significant energetic work, and then you simply replace it with a new one and consecrate it as I just taught you. Now, where will you put that garlic clove? In your left pocket, your jacket, shirt, or pants pocket. Carry it wherever you go, especially in crowded or dense places like hospitals, cemeteries, malls, or any place with many people or where you sense envy. For example, at work, if your superiors or bosses make your life difficult, carry a garlic clove. It will become your best ally and help you feel fully supported. It's incredible. You will feel it from the first moment you start using it. I'm sure that once you notice its great benefits, you won't stop carrying garlic with you. Now I'll teach you a super easy ritual in which we'll use a single, highly powerful element that repels bad vibes, helps us feel supported in every area of our lives, and even has the power of persuasion. I'm talking about cloves, clove spice, that you can find in any supermarket spice section. In this case, because we're calling in money and abundance energy, we'll use 7 cloves. Get 7 in good condition. Here's what to do. Place the 7 cloves in your left hand, close your hands, close your eyes, and with full intention say, I attract infinite wealth. Repeat, I attract infinite wealth 3 times. Then write those words down and put them into action. By doing so, you will activate the energy of money and protection, and you will begin to feel great, super positive changes in your life. With that, you have already consecrated this ritual. Now carry it in your left pocket. You'll see how easy this talisman is to apply, yet it brings excellent results. If your goal is to persuade someone, use it to your advantage when